How to unlock your Facebook profile. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Facebook application. Just tap on it to open it up. And once you do that, you'll just have to make sure that you're logged in. And on the top right, you'll find the menu icon. So head over there. Once on the menu icon, you'll find your profile name on top. Simply tap on it to open up your profile. Once you are on your profile, you'll see the edit profile icon right below your name, and right besides that you'll see the three lines. So simply tap on those three lines and your profile settings will open up. On your profile settings, if you have locked your profile, you'll find an option to unlock your profile. So tap on this unlock profile option, and once you do that, only your friends can see the post when your profile is locked, and only your friends can see the full resolution profile picture and cover photo when you have locked your profile. In order to unlock, you can tap on this unlock button right here. And once you do that, you're going to have to confirm to unlock your profile. Once that is done, your profile will be now unlocked. So as you can see, the profile has successfully been unlocked. Tap on OK and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.